Dude.
Be quiet.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead, Deb.
Like this.
Julia, no
I
more
keep
comments,
saying
okay?
Class.
Yes.
Dude.
Shut up.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
I'm sorry.
You say you strongly, you should just say be quiet.
Go.
Okay, go ahead. I'll hold it for you. Okay.
Ivan. The other day, Ivan was sad because he got in trouble for saying.
Move. Move, Gage.
Yesterday after school, Yesterday after school, I asked Ivan, Galliano, and Adrian Ruiz if they wanted to come to my house. First, we had to look for a phone. That's what she said. Miss Pat. It's just Pat came and yelled at Ivan. So Ivan went to the office and called his mom. He came back with a smile on his face. And then he came to my house. And then he was like, dude, why is this...
It's not dude,
Why
it's
is it
dude.
taking so long to walk to your house? And I said, because it's not even that far. And he was walking like 1 mile.
Okay.